Budgeting is often seen as a chore, but let's flip that perspective. Think of budgeting as your financial coach, guiding you through the game of money management. Just like a coach develops a game plan, a budget helps you strategize your spending and saving. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about gaining control and making informed decisions. Imagine you're on a sports team. You wouldn't just show up to the game without a plan, right? You'd have a playbook that outlines your moves. Your budget is that playbook. It helps you track your income, which is like knowing your team's strengths. You need to know what you have to work with before you can make any plays. Now, let's talk about expenses. List them out. This is your game field. You need to know where you're spending your money, whether it's rent, groceries, or that daily coffee run. By identifying these expenses, you can see where you might be overspending and where you can cut back. It's all about playing smart. Setting small savings goals is like training for a big match. You wouldn't expect to win the championship overnight. Start with achievable goals like saving a small amount each month. Maybe it's $50 or $100. Celebrate those wins. Each small goal reached is a step closer to your financial victory. Consistency is key in budgeting. Just like in sports, you wouldn't practice once and expect to win the game. Make budgeting a regular part of your routine. Review your budget weekly or monthly. Adjust as needed, just like a coach would tweak strategies based on the game's progress. Remember, budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about empowerment. It gives you the freedom to spend on what truly matters to you while ensuring you're prepared for the unexpected. So, take charge of your finances, embrace your budget as your personal coach, and watch how it transforms your financial game.